Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using simple TikToks that you can make in a couple of seconds. Alright guys, and we're seeing if we can build up a TikTok channel to the point where I can put a link into it and start making sales on TikTok. I have no idea if this will work, but we're going to try it. We're going to see how it goes. Alright, so first off, if you want to follow along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. All the links in the description below for the $25 all-in-one digital business. You want to sign up for it and follow along. And that's all there is to it. So let's get started. First off, let's look and see what my TikTok is doing right now. So we're gonna go to TikTok. Where is it? Right here. Okay. I'm gonna look at TikTok here real quick. Okay, we got 68 followers. We're not doing that great, to be honest with you. We're not doing too great, guys. The last few videos ain't done that well. But we're gonna keep on going because consistency creates success. Remember that consistency creates success where there seems to be failure. So we're just gonna keep doing it for a while. We're gonna give it some time to see what we can do. But anyway, first off, let's find a quote that we can put up here. Let's do this quote here and look through here, find something. I ain't stepping into the most dedicated. Alright. Do not wake up today to be mediocre. That's kind of boring too. If anything is possible, I would. People avoid failure, also avoid success. Of course, that's a good. Already used it. This is the best revenge. I never lose, I either win or learn. There we go. I like that one. I never lose, I either win or learn. Alright, so we're gonna make this a little smaller. I like it about right there. Put it down just a little bit quick. I'll make it white. I'm gonna use a color here. Color green. Right? It was orange. Okay, so yeah, let's go. There. And learn. So that's done. We already got that part done. Let's remove this. That. Now the next thing we need to do is find a video here. Hit in Astonishing video, filter, vertical. See if we can find one that looks good. Maybe I need to go back to this. You know what? Yeah, let's try going back to beaches. See if we do better with beach. Cause I got a feeling we might do better with beach. Since my beach videos did way better. Okay. Try this one. Alright, so we're gonna go with that one. Get it up here, boom. Mute the sound. Set it the background. Boom. I want to make it brighter. Real quick. Brightness right there, contrast right there, and saturation right there. Pretty good. Okay, we're gonna stick to that. It's just a little brighter, look a little cleaner. Anyway, now guys, we need to find a video here. I love cinematic. I like going with cinematic here. Go to page 5. Now, okay, guys, I'm gonna find a song real quick. Take me but a second here. Guys, you shouldn't hear the song because I'm hoping the mic don't pick it up. Okay, so give me a second here to look. Let's see. Oh, good. 20-minute music. Discovery. Okay, let's. Not in love with it, honest. Alright, let's go with motivational. Let's look in motivational for a while here. We ain't checked motivational in a while. So we kind of done checked out all the songs on this page. Probably on this page too, but we're just gonna look a little bit, see if we can find something that we like. Something a little more hard hitting. Most of these songs are very soft. We want something a little strong, you know? A little on the stronger side of things. But that's how my page is, you know? Most of the songs are kind of pow, pow, you know? So we're gonna look for a song like that real quick. Find something. I might just use a song I already got here. I'm not seeing anything crazy good. No, I'm not seeing anything like super. Kind of good. Okay, Pandemic. I like that one. That was sounding pretty good. I'm gonna go with that. Audio. I already got it. Whatever. So we're gonna put that on 6. But yeah, that's how you find a song. Let me turn up the volume here for me personally. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna look and see how the video come out. Alright, I like that. Okay, we're gonna just post it like that. And that's all there is to that. Alright, so we're gonna get a link here. Copy, basically copy here to be motivated. Turn away. Boom. And that sentence there's done, and the video is done as well. Alright, so now we just need to look at when the video is supposed to go up. Today is, what's today? Today's Friday? Today's Friday. Okay, so it goes up 1 p.m. Okay. 1 p.m. 13. Alright, so done. Schedule it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Real simple, real easy to do, and we're done. Yeah. So anyway, like I stated before, if you're interested in following along, make sure to click on the link below to sign up for the $25 all-in-one digital business and pretty much just copy what I'm doing here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.